The Essex County Sheriff's Office has authorized this emergency message. An extremely dangerous individual has been reported on numerous occasions by civilians within Cedar Grove. This coincides with around 23 murders within the township. This individual is a recurring suspect, having been additionally reported in January of this year and allegedly spring 1983. The main identifying feature of this individual is the lack of skin on his face. Despite this, the individual lives in what is assumed to be a perfect physical shape, an unnatural discovery. Law enforcement has been unable to apprehend or dispatch the suspect, and the local area of Cedar Grove is in active danger. During the nighttime, you should avoid going outdoors at all costs. Block off all openings to the outside and windows. All electronic devices should be disabled. You should find a safe room in a central area of your home with no windows. If an unrecognized person enters your home, remain silent at all times. If you are confronted, do all that you can to escape or fight back.
And now for Major League Baseball on iGreen Television, starting with the games from yesterday, May 5th, 2004. The Phillies take a close one against the Cardinals, 5-4.